Hey guys, I bet you are thrilled to be watching this video right now, okay? But you should be excited because you've probably been working up to this point, right? When you first started looking at linear equations, you were probably plugging in a point for x, getting a y, right? Getting an ordered pair, and then graphing it, which is great. But now we have a much faster way to do it, and we're all about faster, right? So we're going to look at this one first. This one's kind of a special case. We'll talk about it in a minute. We're going to talk about this one first. This equation is in slope-intercept form, which is exactly where we want it to be, okay? When we are graphing equations, this is the easiest form for it to be in. If y is not alone, get it that way so you can use this form, okay? So y equals mx plus b. When it is like this, the number in front of my x is my slope, okay? So my slope is 2/3 in this case, okay? The number being added or subtracted on the back is my y-intercept, okay? Now, what does this mean? Well, we're going to do it. So I have everything I need now to graph this line, okay? So we start with the y-intercept, okay? My y-axis is the one that goes straight up and down, okay? So I know that this line crosses the y-axis at 6, okay? So I'm going to go up to 6 and draw a point. So I know that my line crosses that point, and the slope is going to show me what the line looks like, okay? So now I'm going to use my slope. Slope, we like to think of rise over run, or you can think of it as up and down over left and right, okay? So my top number tells me how much up or down to go, okay? So it's 2, it's positive, so I'm going to go up 2. The bottom tells me how far to go left or right. It's positive, so I'm going to go right, okay? So up 2, right, 1, 2, 3. Look, now I have 2 points, okay? I'm going to do it again, 1, 2 over 1, 2, 3, okay? And we can also go the other way because, hold with me for a second, -2 over -3 simplifies down to 2 over 3, right? So I could also think of this as -2 over -3, so down to left 3, okay? Down to left 3. Okay, where's my straight? Here is my line, okay? Now we're going to look at this other one. Look at that. We just graphed that line, guys. There we go. Okay, this one we have x equals -4, okay? So you're like, that looks nothing like slope-intercept form, right? There's not even a y. So what does this mean? So if you are asked to graph an equation that is just x equals something, well, this means it is a line that is straight up and down, okay? And it is at -4 on the x-axis. So it starts here. Here's -4. And then it's a line straight up and down like this. Okay. Now, if you need to know what a line looks like when it's y equals something, I'll link a video in the corner, okay? But let me show you why this is the way it is, okay? So if I were to list some of the points along this line, right, I would have -4, 0, right? I'd have -4, 1, -4, 2, and I could keep going literally forever. I'm just these points here, right? So on all of these, you'll notice the x is -4, right? X equals -4. Okay, hopefully that made sense. Check out those other videos if you need to. Good job graphing lines. Bye.